the model was probably wearing it like this. And I got it. This is definitely not my waist, man. This is not my waist.
Take it slow, bring it back, let them know, bring it down to the flow.
Hey loves, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time, welcome. My name is Samira. Nice to meet you. If you're returning, welcome back, darling. You know how we do it. Anyway, so today's video is a collective haul, you guys. It was meant to be a Zara haul because how come we've never done a Zara haul on this channel? Like, it doesn't make sense. But if I'm being honest, it's just because I used to think they don't ship to Ghana until I found out that they do, thanks to Karen. But anyway, it was supposed to be a Zara haul. However, Video had sent me the most beautiful jewelry I've ever seen, and I really could not keep it to myself. The goal was just to post it on Instagram and go, but I was like, no, I need to tell my girlies about this, because like, you can't be sleeping on beautiful things. I do live in Ghana right now, so all these things were shipped from outside, like. And if you're in Ghana and you want to ship things from Zara, blah, 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 stay till the end because I'll be talking about the shipping and everything that I had to go through to get them to Ghana at the end of the video, okay? And everything I'm wearing or everything I'm going to try on will be linked in the description box as well, so you can go get them for yourself. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I'm going to start with the Video had jewelry, but this is how it came in, you guys. It came in really, really fast. I'm not sure if it's because they were gifting it to me or that's typically how they ship their thing, but it came in really, really fast. And the jewelry came in these 3 cute boxes. Of course, I've opened them already. Samira, what do you expect? Oh, I think this was how it's supposed to come. It was supposed to come in this, but of course, because of safety, they put it in the bigger bag. They are Moissanite. Moissanite, is that how you say it? Moissanite. So Moissanite is their #1 material for making of their jewelry. And I did not even know this was a thing. Like, I just thought we just had like fake things and like real diamond, but this is like so close to diamond that you can barely tell. So they gave me 3 things to show to you guys. I actually chose 3 things. When you go on the sites, you might even think that they just sell rings, because it's the perfect place to get your wedding ring as well as your fashion rings. They blink so much. Now that I didn't get a ring, I'm regretting it, because in the beginning I was thinking that why would I want to wear a ring, but now that I think about it, it was so special. I've gotten a ring, you guys. They have so many rings as well, and they all look so beautiful. No one can tell, you guys. I didn't know. Like, let me know in the comment section if you knew about this. You can actually get like a ring that looks like a diamond ring, but it's not the actual thing. It glitters and does everything like a diamond ring, but you don't have to spend as much on a diamond as people do. Love it. Okay, love it. I am totally obsessed. It also came with some warranty as well, just in case you want to return something. So the first thing I chose is this Solitaire gold necklace, and oh my god, look at it. Look at how this thing sparkles. It is so perfect, so beautiful. Oh, I'm obsessed. I am totally obsessed, and I really cannot wait to wear this. Like, I'll show you a closer look when I'm done, but oh, look at that. Like I said earlier, everything will be linked at the end. These are made from Moissanite, which has the hardness of diamond, like they're closest to diamond. And they are praised for that, you guys. These things are well made. If you wear this, there's no way someone can tell that it is not diamond. What blows my mind is the fact that it feels and looks like diamond. So it's like you get to have the same look and everything of diamond, but you don't have to pay as much. And I'm totally obsessed. Just look at that gorgeousness. Look. Oh. And it's not as big as it looks in there. It is just like a very tiny piece that stands out so well. The next thing I chose is this butterfly silver bracelet. And I think this is definitely one of my favorite of all the things I've got. Because even with the other one, you could not tell what I meant by it's like real diamond. It looks like real diamond. But with this one, you can totally see. Look at that. Do you see how shiny it is? I think I'll probably show you guys in low light, but it is so beautiful, so classy, so stunning, and I highly recommend this for every single person. Like, I've never seen anything this beautiful, you guys, and for the price that you get this, I'm just like, wait, what? Am I the only one who did not know that this was a thing? The last thing I got is the oh. You guys, I thought they only gave me one. Turns out it was in another bag. Oh my god. Whoa, I finally. Huh? Do you see how it's blinking? You guys, I'm showing it to my kid sister because I'm so excited. I've not seen this yet. Oh my god. No, you can't tell me that I don't own diamonds. Like, shh, okay, come closer. Between you and I, right? These are real diamonds. If you ever see me wearing them, just say Samira is wearing real diamonds, okay? Because right now you cannot convince me that I don't have diamonds. Oh, you guys, can you see that? Oh my god, I wish this camera could capture it more. Like, it's glittering, right? Like, it's not. Rihanna said shine bright. We don't shine. We sparkle bright like a diamond. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. You guys, prepare to be sick of me. Prepare. These are so beautiful. The camera is not doing justice to it. And oh my god. I think date night just became more fun thanks to this. Prepare to be sick of me, baby. Adada, is that me? But you guys, this is how the earring looks like. It is so cute. I am obsessed. And I'm gonna go film it in low light and show you just so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But a big thank you to Read Your Heart for sending me these. These are really cute. Oh, by the way, they also did give me 15% off for anyone who wants to purchase this. Yes, they do ship to Ghana. And yes, if you live in any part of the world, they do ship worldwide as well. And you get 15% off the entire site if you use my code, which is Samira15. So do check them out, please. And by the way, I will be starting this on my Instagram. So go follow me on Instagram if you do not. You'll be seeing me in these. Okay, date night is about to get... Oh. So still on accessories, the first thing I got is this bag. Now it came in this dust bag, which I think is absolutely cute. Just look at that, okay? This is giving me luxury, okay? You know how Zara do it? They be doing the most. Now you guys, I do not own a black bag. I don't know why. I've never actually owned, maybe I have in the past, but it's been so long. And I've been seeing this city bag everywhere. Like I've seen it a lot of times, but each time I tried to get it, it was always sold out. If I'm being honest, this is the only thing I needed out of everything I'm going to be showing you. So when they finally had it online, I quickly grabbed it and I am so in love with it. Of course, I didn't want to use it. I left it in there because I wanted to show it to you guys first. I think the only thing I don't like about it is the fact that it doesn't close all the way. Like it doesn't have an overall zip. So you can't close it, but it does have a flap here where you can just like put it on here and have everything secured. I totally love it and I really cannot wait to use it. Just look at the details. Look at that. It does also come with like a strap in case you want to make it like longer. This is how it is. I think they have like a bigger size, but this is the medium size. And I am obsessed and I'll be wearing this everywhere. I wanted like a black bag that was very cute, inexpensive, but like had like better quality than the ones I've been seeing recently. And I think this checks all the bags and I really cannot wait to use it. So the next thing I got is this two-piece set. Now they were sold separately and they were also on sale as well. So when I saw it, I was just like, let me just grab it and see. It did look very big and very see-through. And let me be honest, right? I had no hope for it. Like I was just like, let me just get it just in case. The top looks amazing as well. I'm usually not like a person that likes prints and everything, but this was giving me like a very classy print vibe. Like it's not doing too much, but it's really there. So I was like, you know what, let's just get it. I think this one was like 10 euros. Here it is. So I'm gonna try this on and let's see if we still like it or not. Okay guys, so let's start with the top. I really love it. It is very plain. Like it's not heavy at all. It is very light. This heat in Accra right now definitely needs this. It is very see-through. However, if you're wearing a black bra underneath it, it's not very visible. I don't know how to explain that. My sister says she cannot see anything here, but you guys, it's very see-through. However, I love the print on myself so much. Just look at the colors. It's complementing my skin so beautifully. And I love the little turtleneck thingy going on here as well. It's giving me all the vibes that I need. If you live in Accra, you know how warm it is, and for some weird reason it's also giving me like a very rich auntie vibe. Now moving on to the pants, you guys, let me bring you down a bit so you can see what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. I like how it is flowy. It is also very transparent. I'm wearing like a green short underneath it, and I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but this thing is very see-through. However, I don't know if it's because of the prints. From the room in here, I can't tell if it's see-through or not. I think I would have to experiment outside. It looks really nice. It also has this drawstrings here, so you can actually tighten it or loosen it up if you want. It is giving very much rich auntie. I like it so much. It is one of those things that I just threw into my cart without thinking twice, because I was just like, you know, let's just put it there because it's on sale. And now I'm just like, oh my god, this was totally worth it. Like, let me know what you think, okay? Okay guys, so the next thing I chose is this green top. I don't know what it was. I think it was just like the design here, but I was just like, this looks nice. And to be honest, I don't even have green heels or anything to pair it with, but when I saw it, I think it was also on sale as well, and I was like, you know what, let me just get it. Now this I got in a size extra small. I think this was in a size small. Let me check. The first one was definitely in a size small, and this was in an extra small. Now if you know Zara, you know that their sales thing go out very fast. You guys, I had like so many things from sales and they all went like by the time I could go and come back. Okay, so this definitely went by very fast. So let's try it on and see if it's worth it. So this is the second one. I'm not sure how I feel about it. What do you guys think? I think it's giving grown and sexy, but at the same time I just feel like Like it has an awkward look to it as well. I think if I probably, oh, let me see. I feel like if it was like a bit tight for me, it would have been nicer, but that's probably just me. But I also think that if I wear it with trousers, it might come out really nice. I like the color so much. I like the details here as well. And I like the fact that the arms are not too long or too short. It's just in there somewhere. It's stylish, not gonna lie. Where would I wear this to? I have no idea yet. Like I mentioned, I really wish the bottom part was not as loose as it is. This is my preference actually, but let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Okay guys, so the next one is this plain shirt as well, which was also on sale. Like you guys, I'm showing you all the things I got on sale first before I go into the others. It is also very see-through. The fabric is so soft and comfortable. I don't know how to explain it. It feels really nice. It was on sale, so it was definitely not as expensive. It does look like it's see-through though. Let's see how it looks on. Okay guys, so this is the second one. Like I mentioned, it's a bit see-through. Can you see anything from there? I think you can probably see, right? It's not a bit see-through. It is very see-through. I can see my bra underneath it, and that is what you get for, you know, trying to be cheap. Okay, that's what you get. This is an extra small, by the way, and this is how it looks from the back. To be honest, I'm not mad at this at all. I think I can actually wear it at home, and I can just wear it for like quick errands. Just that I cannot do the no bra thing that I like to do, you know, but it's still not bad. Like it's giving me very much snatched and very much cute, and you know, but all the goodies that you need to know. So I like it. Okay, I like it. I'm not gonna complain. Okay. No one sends me, I sent myself, so I like it. But what do you think, you guys? I also like the fact that it's a very neutral color because it means I can pair it with a lot of things. So I'm really not mad about this one at all. So the next one is this sateen twisted dress, you guys. And oh my god, when I saw this I was like, I have to get it. Okay, one thing about Zara models, they're going to like pose in a very weird way. Sometimes you'll be like, oh well, this look good on me, but this was really elegant. It was giving me all the vibes that I need. So I think I'm gradually getting into my rich auntie era, so I need something that I can wear, you know, like when they call that we should come to my daughter's school, I need to be able to pull up looking classy and sexy, you know. So I got it. Now let's try it on. Okay guys, look at this. Do you see that? I like it so much, you guys. It's giving elegance. I just wish it was longer. I think this is how you're supposed to wear it. Let me bring you guys a bit so you can see it. I think this is definitely how you're supposed to wear it, but I don't know, I have like a very weird thing when it comes to, oh, you guys still can't see. Let me bring it down a bit more. I think this is better. But this is how the dress looks like. This is the length. I just wish it was a bit longer because I find that when clothes are just at this length, I find them a bit awkward. For me, it's either like you're long or like you're midi, you know, like you don't have to be acting like you're in there somewhere, because then I feel like it's meant for someone shorter, if that makes sense. This is how the back looks like. I think it's a bit big, so I definitely probably have to work on it. I don't know how they did it, you guys, because the front looks perfect. The front looks like, oh, it fits properly, but the back is slightly big, as you can see. I do think that if I hold it like just a tiny bit, this is how it will come out. I think it would look absolutely gorgeous. Just look at the space. It's a lot. Okay? We don't want that vibe. When I'm shopping late, I actually choose things that I can actually wear, because most of the time I just have a lot of things in my wardrobe that I do not wear. This one I think is just perfect. It is airy enough, it is sexy, it is classy, and you're gonna see me in it. So the next one is,
it was at this moment he knew he fucked up.
Wait a minute.
Jesus!
It was this moment that she knew that she fucked up. Okay, this is definitely not my this is definitely not my waist, man. This is not my waist. Oh my god, this is expensive. Okay, hold on, let me try it on before I start venting. But you guys, so this is the denim pants. I saw it and I was like, let me just get it, because I do not have any black jeans anymore, and it has like a very faded vibe, as you can see. Like it's black, but it's not black, and it was just giving like this nice vibe, you guys. But now that I'm looking at it, it says size 40, US size 8. I'm a US size 4. Yeah, my waist is typically 26, and when I wear jeans I think it's like 36 or 30 something. So I have no business with 40. But you know, let's try it on, maybe. Let's try it on, let's try it on. I'm gonna cry right now.
Oh my god.
Pull up, pull up.
Is it funny? No, it's not funny. Is it funny? No.
You guys, oh my god, like I really don't know how to act. Look at this, there's so much space. Like I'm not even joking, like it's big, okay? I kind of want to say that I can get someone to alter it, but you know, like there's this thing that when they alter trousers, like it starts looking funny. And also like just there's this like a lot of space here. It has pockets, by the way, which is usually a good thing, but because of the pockets, so I feel like when they hold it, it's just going to be like you guys, I'm so sad because the quality of this absolutely amazing. The length out of this world. Like I'm a 5'9", okay? You got Sateen. I'm a 5'9". Usually I don't get trousers that fit me like this long. Look at the length. Like this chef kiss. And the quality of these pants, like I just know for a fact that I'm going to keep buying from Zara. I just know for a fact that even though a lot of things went wrong with my order, I'm just going to keep buying because the length of these pants, the quality of the pants, of jeans, sorry, the quality of these jeans, absolutely amazing, out of this world. I love it so much and I'm definitely going to buy more. However, I did make a mistake with my sizing and this is not the size that I was supposed to wear, okay? The model was probably wearing it like this and I got it. Okay, how did I choose 40? I think when I saw US 4, maybe I thought it meant UK 4, or I saw UK 4. Sorry guys, I have ADHD, sometimes I don't see things, but okay guys, and now the details, right? So Zara does ship to Ghana directly. DHL does all their delivery straight to Ghana. So all you have to do is just get the app. Either you go on the app or you go on the website and then you change your country to Ghana, you order whatever. However, there are a lot of hidden taxes that you need to know about. So basically, right, I ordered my things on the 4th of February. I'm checking on my phone so that I can give you the exact details. I ordered my items on the 4th of February and it arrived in Ghana on the 12th of February. So it took about roughly like a week. I think it arrived in Ghana in like 4 to 5 days because they did call me. I think it arrived in Ghana on a Thursday and then they told me that they had to go through customs and blah 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 and that they would call me back or like they would deliver it either by Friday or Saturday. But I didn't hear from them until I think on the 12th. So it was getting into the weekend, so I feel like it was not from Zara. The fault was from them because of customs and whatever. Now this is the difficult part, you guys. So when I was ordering, the shipment or like the delivery fee was about 20 euros and I was like, okay, that's not bad. 20 euros, that's not bad. Now how much is 20 euros in Ghana cedis? Let me check quickly. 20 euros is about 263 Ghana cedis. But I was like, it's not so bad because of the things I'm buying and because of all the delivery options I've seen from other sites. And by the way, everything I got was up to 189.70 euros. So let's just say 190 euros. So the shipping was about 20 euros. I was expecting it to just be that. I should have tapped on it and then checked properly to make sure that like the taxes are not there or whatever. But while I was just there, I just saw like they were deducting the money and I was just like there waiting for them and I was expecting a particular amount. Now I use my Visa card for these purchases, so already Visa is already like charging me extra for that. So tell me why these people charge the money, and I go and check and they had deducted about 280 euros from my account and I'm like, oh my god. I was like, Zara has stolen from me. Anyway, I went to check and I realized that they have import cost, which is about 70 euros, you guys. Import cost alone is over 700 Ghana cedis. So basically I paid 1,000 Ghana cedis plus for shipping.
Chai!
Tell me that's not insane. I was like, at this point, you guys, I should have just let you guys take it to the custom office and I'll go, because at least I know that if I get to the custom office I can smile a bit and they'll reduce it. What is all this nemesis? Okay, I'm not even gonna lie, this one hurts me most. But I also did find out that the more you buy, the higher the taxes are, and then the lesser you buy, the lower the taxes are. So in the next whatever, I'll probably be buying one because I'm stress anyway. I was definitely hurt by that, not gonna lie. Okay, I was very hurt by that. But anyway, that happened. They do ship to Ghana within a couple of days. My friend has told me that she shipped, like she's bought things that came like the next day before and stuff like that. So they do have very quick delivery. It just depends on where you buy and how you buy it. It wasn't just these clothes. I did get like a parachute trousers for my girl, as well as some vest and shorts for her as well. I didn't add that in this haul, of course, but they do have Zara kids, so I did get those things for her. And that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Until next time, I love you guys so much, and let me know, have you ever shipped from Zara? How did it go? Was it fast? Was it cute? Was it nice? Let me know what happened, okay? Because these experiences, I'm actually experiencing them as I go, and I wish someone had told me this information before I got them. That's why I'm telling you guys, okay? So until next time, I love you guys so much, and bye.